Today, we're going to look at writing sentences. A sentence expresses a complete thought. If I say I, that's not a sentence. If I say I see it, that's a complete sentence. It expresses a complete thought. If I just write pal, that's not a sentence. If I say I have a pal, now I have a complete sentence. We're going to use sentence starters to help us write sentences. A starter is a group of words or a single word like I that we can use to help us write a sentence. So let's look at the words we're going to be using in our sentences. We have map, cap, see, fan, pal, bag, pan, eat. So we're going to do maximum 2 sentences per word. So let's start with map. Let's see. Can we do I map? No. I am map? No. I hear a map? No. Let me think. I can do I see a map. I can also do I use a map. Next word is cap. Let's see. I can do I want a cap. I can also do I have a cap. The next word is see. Let's see. I can do I see. Next one we have is fan. I can do I fan. I can say I have a fan. I hear a fan. I use a fan. So we did a little more than 2, but that's okay. Let's do bag. We can say I use a bag. I want a bag. Let's now do pan. Let's see. Let's get a different color. We can say I get a pan. We can also say I have a pan. And the last one is eat. We can say, let's get a different color. Let's use, oh, we had one, then it went away. This pink. So we can say, I eat and that's it. I eat. So this is how you write a sentence using sentence starters. Good luck.